Hey, and welcome to Trains Are Fun. We're going to be looking at 3 items that I just picked up from eBay, all from one seller. We got a Hornby, Clockwork, Percy. We have a Windup Spencer and a Windup Murdoch. And what we want to see is, are these miniature Windup trains the same as the Gashapon capsule ones? Everybody's telling me they are. I think they're right. And we're going to see how this wind-up Percy does. These are from the plastic track era, I guess. I have a wind-up Thomas set that came with metal track, just a regular Hornby track. We did a video on that a long time ago, the Clockwork Thomas. I'll try to remember to put a link to it. But yeah, we'll look at these. But first, let's compare our miniature wind-ups by Tomy. Obviously, there's a whole line of these. What I wonder is, I guess these would have had not stickers, because all of the other most of the other characters, I should say, not all of them, they would have stickers. But Spencer and Murdoch did not. Oh, look at that. Somebody made a little checklist. So let me get the ones I got out of the Gashapon capsules. Here is Spencer. And they do look identical. Whoops. Sorry, Spencer. Uh-oh. My little thing's a little not holding on good there. All right, so yeah, I think they are exactly the same. Although the back shows, this one shows 2005 and that one shows 2010. So these are older than I thought. That's almost 20 years old. Wow. Pretty cool. Does it have a date on the back of these? I can't tell. I can't see it. It's so small. I need new glasses. All right, so that's Spencer. And then I've been doing Murdoch stuff. I got a couple more packages, I think, that are coming with Murdoch stuff, but I had to try this, and yeah, it looks like it's exactly the same. I don't see any difference other than the date, which is good. So that means technically I have 2 different ones. I've got a 2005 copyright and a 2010 copyright on there. That one doesn't have a checklist on the back. So I think with these, I'll keep them sealed. So I'll probably do a Spencer collection. Spencer is going to be a little harder because I got a lot more of them. Murdoch is easy to do a collection video on because it's more of a rare character because he's not a main character. So yeah, I'm still glad I got them, even though they're the same as the original ones I already had. So now let's look at our Percy, the small engine Clockwork. It's got plastic wheels. All right. It's got a key, feels metal. So the way these Clockwork engines work, you got to on off, a little bit of charge in there. It's just a wind-up spring type system that turns it off. Then you stick the key over here and you turn it clockwise to wind its clock. So we're going to wind up our wind up our Clockwork Percy. Don't want to over tighten it, so that's about as tight as it'll go. And he's loaded and ready to go. All right, Percy, here we go. Oh! Failed at the crossing. I think they're designed for Hornby track, not this Atlas track. Oh! He got back on. Come on, Percy. You can do it. Just jump over those crossings. There you go. Oh, or points as they call them. There he goes. Oh, he made it that time. Oh, he's doing good. Wow. Oh, Whoops. Didn't like that crossing. Or point. Or switch. Still got a little juice left. Whoops. Oh, he got back on. Looks like he's got a mind of his own. Trying to keep up with him's hard. Oh, he's staggered, but he's still going. Percy is still going. I think he's running out of juice. This might be the last stretch here. Oh! I think the plastic part, they don't do good on the frogs in the Hornby trains. I've had trouble with my regular Hornby OO gauge stuff. But that's pretty nice. It was rather expensive for all this, but I'm pleased with my pickups. I wish I had got this for the $0 and that for the £2.50 and that for the £2.50, but I'll take it. Don't see these for sale a lot. It's impossible to find them here in the U.S. usually. So glad to get these, and thanks for watching this video. If you want to see more Thomas and Friends stuff, got tons of that. I do all kinds of trains, like all kinds of trains, because trains are fun. And I'll be doing some more collection videos. I got more things like these that I will get. And let me know, do you think I should get more of the Clockwork series? I mean, I got the Thomas set just to try it out. And then Percy's, my favorite character. So that's why I got this. There's some others I've seen for sale, but I just don't know if I want to pay the price to get them. So I may just leave it with what I got so far.